The $10 traffic trick. Drive quality, low-cost traffic to any website for less than $10. An introduction to the $10 traffic trick. In this training, I'm going to show you how to drive quality, low-cost traffic to any website for less than $10. Ideally, you'll be sending this traffic to a squeeze page to collect a lead and then sending the traffic to a high converting offer. This offer can be your own offer or an affiliate offer, but in order to really make this method work best and to make the most amount of profit and to not lose money, your offer needs to convert well. You can also direct link right to a sales page, but you really should be building a list so you can market to them later. Let's get started.